Hello everyone, this is Ashley Hubbard, Health and Diet Coach, and in this video I am going to teach you the quickest way to lose belly fat. I will give you some essential tips and guidance from this tutorial so that you can lose belly fat and increase weight loss. So if you want to lose belly fat and increase weight loss, make sure you stick around and watch the rest of this video. Step number 1. Reduce the amount of sugary foods that you eat. If you are trying to lose belly fat, then one of the best things you can do is reduce the amount of sugar you consume in your diet. To make better food choices and become more aware of what sugar content is in each food that you eat, you should try and pay more attention to the nutrition facts on the food label for the foods that you eat. Sugar contains fructose, which has been linked to several chronic diseases when consumed in excess. Some of these health problems include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and fatty liver disease. There have also been a lot of observational studies that show a relationship between high sugar intake and increased abdominal fat. Therefore, it's important for you to realise that more than just refined sugar can lead to belly fat gain. Even healthier sugars, such as real honey, should only be used sparingly. Excessive sugar intake is today one of the major causes of weight gain in many people all over the world. Limit your intake of candy and processed foods high in added sugar. Step number 2. Include more cardio exercise in your weekly routine. If you begin to do more exercise in the week, especially aerobic exercise, which is also known as cardio, this is an effective way to improve your health and burn more calories. Studies also show that it is one of the most effective forms of exercise for reducing belly fat. However, the results are mixed as to whether moderate or high intensity exercise is more beneficial. In any case, if you wish to increase weight loss from the belly, the frequency and duration of your exercise program are more important than the intensity of the exercise. One study found that post-menopausal women lost more fat from all areas when they did aerobic exercise for 300 minutes per week, compared with those who exercised for 150 minutes per week. Aerobic exercise is an effective weight loss method. Many studies suggest it's particularly effective at slimming your waistline, so you should try and aim to do around 90 minutes of cardio per week for effective results. Now, I still have some more essential tips to give you, so please don't go anywhere. But if you want a complete weight loss diet plan to lose belly fat, click the link below the video and it will take you through to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. On the website, you can get access to your custom keto weight loss diet plan within minutes from now. Please check out the link in the description box below the video for more information. Step number 3. Replace some of your cooking fats with coconut oil. If you make a few small changes to your cooking oils and you use more coconut oil, you can gain health benefits. Coconut oil is one of the healthiest fats you can eat, so you should try and include more of it in your weight loss diet. Studies show that medium chain fats in coconut oil may help boost the metabolism and decrease the amount of fat you store in response to high calorie intake. Several controlled studies also suggest that coconut oil may also lead to abdominal fat loss. In one study, men with obesity who took coconut oil daily for 12 weeks lost on average approximately 1.1 inches, which is the equivalent of 2.86 centimeters, from their waists without intentionally changing their diets or exercise routines. However, the evidence for the benefits of coconut oil for abdominal fat loss are weak and somewhat controversial, so you can use coconut oil in addition to other weight loss cooking methods. Also, you should keep in mind that coconut oil is high in calories. Instead of adding extra fat to your diet, you can replace some of the fats you're already eating with coconut oil. Studies suggest that using coconut oil instead of other cooking oils may help reduce abdominal fat. Step number 4. Start a resistance training weightlifting program. You can increase weight loss from your waistline by starting a resistance training program. Resistance training, which is also known as weightlifting or strength training, is important for preserving and gaining muscle mass. The more muscle mass that you have, the more calories you will burn naturally. Based on studies involving people with pre-diabetes, type 2 diabetes and fatty liver disease, resistance training may also be beneficial for belly fat loss. In fact, a study that involved teenagers who were overweight showed that a combination of strength training and aerobic exercise led to the greatest decrease in visceral fat. If you decide to begin a resistance training program, it would be a good idea to get advice from a certified personal trainer so you can get better advice on what you should do. Strength training can be an important weight loss strategy and may help reduce belly fat. Studies suggest it's even more effective in combination with aerobic exercise. Step number 5. Stay away from or cut back on drinks and beverages with high sugar content. To help you increase belly fat weight loss, you should try and cut back on drinks and beverages with high sugar content. Today, most sugar-sweetened beverages are loaded with liquid fructose, which can make you gain belly fat. Studies show that sugary drinks lead to increased fat in the liver. One 10-week study found significant abdominal fat gain in people who consumed high fructose beverages. There is also something else to think about. Sugary beverages appear to be even worse than high sugar foods. Since your brain doesn't process liquid calories in the same way it does with solid ones, you're likely to end up consuming too many calories later on and storing them as fat. To help you lose belly fat, it will be best for you to completely avoid sugar-sweetened beverages such as soda, punch, sweet tea, and alcoholic mixes containing sugar. Avoiding all liquid forms of sugar, such as sugar-sweetened beverages, is very important if you're trying to shed some extra pounds from your belly and your waistline. So, if you want a complete weight loss diet plan to lose belly fat, click the link below the video where you will be taken to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. On the website, you will be able to get access to your custom keto weight loss diet plan within minutes from now. Please check out the link in the description box below the video for more information. So now, I would like to hand it over to you. What video topic would you like to see next? You can tell us right now. Just leave a comment below the video. I really hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video, and I'll be more than happy to help you, and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook and make sure to subscribe to the channel. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. That way you won't miss out on my future videos. Thank you. And it would really help us out if you can give the video a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best for your belly fat weight loss plan. Have a fantastic day.